reporting settings, you'll go to Sales Accelerator, Settings, and then your reporting menu. Here you will find all of your options for your reports. The Plugin Access Roles option allows you to control which user roles have access to the plugin menu and submenus. You'll enter the user role you want to grant access to the Sales Accelerator menus and submenus. The Access Exceptions setting allows you to exclude specific users from accessing the plugin menu and submenus, no matter what their user role is. An example use case of this might be that you have someone who is an admin on the site, but their role only involves keeping up your blog and social media, so they don't need to access your shop details. You can exclude this person from accessing the plugin. With the order status setting, you can determine which order types are included in your stats. Your options include processing, on hold, completed, pending payment, canceled, and failed. The total net setting allows you to determine which fields are included in the total net calculation. You can include shipping, taxes, and/or fees in your total net calculation if you want to. Do you want to see your gross or net sales amount? You can determine which of these to show in the total sales setting. The recent order setting allows you to decide whether to show the recent orders in the sidebar by their creation date or by the updated date. If you need to re-import your WooCommerce data for any reason, you can use the re-import feature to delete the existing data and to start a new import. The product cost feature is a pro-only feature. With this feature enabled, a new field will be created to set the cost of a product so that you can compare your product cost with your product sales. Also a pro feature is the live update setting. With this setting enabled, the data on your dashboard will continue to refresh with live data of the activity on your site.